Hey folks, Dustin Howes here with PerformanceMarketingManager.com, the online academy dedicated to helping your affiliate program grow. Anyone can go out there and create an affiliate program. But affiliate marketing is this wildly misunderstood channel, and there are thousands of companies out there that are failing to reach their true potential. If you're looking to launch or grow an affiliate program at an affordable price with some professional help, I've got just a solution for you. Our online academy has helped hundreds of affiliate managers learn the basics and advanced tactics on how to grow their affiliate program. In the academy, affiliate managers learn how to recruit the right affiliates, how to optimize their time, and how to take growth to the next level with their program. Everyone that joins the community gets access to assets that you can't find anywhere else. You have conference-style edutainment in the comfort of your own office. I go through 7 hours of recorded sessions, going over fundamentals and advanced methods of affiliate program optimization. You get my personal templates that I use to set up every program that I touch, including affiliate recruitment sequences, welcome to the program sequences, terms and conditions, affiliate sign-up landing pages, and other useful reports that executives are going to want to see. You're going to gain access to the community of affiliate managers looking to help others to improve their program. We have bi-weekly office hours for group coaching. And finally, every member gets a 30-minute one-on-one call with me to discuss the specifics of their program. I have personally packed a lot of time and energy into this course and academy, and you can get all of this for just one payment of $397. So whether you're a complete noob or a seasoned veteran to affiliate marketing, the online academy is guaranteed to give you value, or I'll give you your money back. Join the Performance Marketing Manager community today, and let's get to work together to build that army of affiliates for your brand. Hope to see you in there. Cheers.
I'll put it this way. We've spent like a year and a half trying to set up our affiliate program and have gotten basically nowhere, and we'll have more set up by the end of this week than we have in the last year.